Ang gulo nyo. Sabi ko, dito na ako. But anyway, pinakita natin yung crown. Kasi, ang galing. Ay, Diyos ko po, weekend. Happy weekend. Sorry. Kasi po, dapat dito ako eh. Sorry. Lumipat po kasi ako. Sorry, Direk. It's my fault. Sige, pakilitan nyo ako. Anyway, okay, bago tayo matapos, i-announce po natin kung sino po ang ating Miss Laxwhite for today. Again, we would like to introduce the candidates for today. Okay, para for the last look natin. From Binyan, Laguna, Claire Rosas. Thank you, Claire. Candidate number 2 from Caloocan City, Karil Alarca. And candidate number 3 from Tarlac City, Jasmine Omay. Thank you very much, ladies, and good luck. Again, our criteria for judging: beauty 50%, talent 25%, and 25% personality. All right, here we go. Dito na ako direct. Can I have the envelope? Thank you. Di ba natalo ka? I have the envelope. Here we go. Who will receive 20,000 in cash for today? Sa ating pong Miss Laxwhite today. For today, Miss Laxwhite Friday, okay? Is it candidate number 1, candidate number 2, or candidate number 3? The non-winners will receive, or non-winner will receive 10,000, and the winner will receive 20,000 in cash. Our winner for today, sa ating pong Miss Laxwhite 2021, is candidate number... Ano yung may bubagsak ba? Parang may kulog ah. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Ah, yan, yan. Our winner for today, ladies and gentlemen, we don't have a winner. Of course we have a winner. The winner for today sa ating Miss Laxwhite is candidate number 3! Candidate number 3 from Tarlac City, Jasmine Omay. We would like to thank candidate number 1 from Binyan, Claire Rosas, and candidate number 2 from Caloocan City, Karil Alarca, for joining. Jasmine will receive 20,000 in cash. Number will receive 10,000.
Wawawin ang lahat sa aming pagbibigay ng saya at pag-asa ng iyong